Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a stereo speakers on POCO F6. To this, first we'll need to find all of the speakers on this device, first one being on the bottom right here, another one is located on top of the screen right here, and there's also 3 dots right there, and I'm not sure if that's a speaker, we're gonna check it anyway. Now, to determine if they are stereo speakers, we'll need to play some music, cover each of the speakers with our fingers. If the sound is coming from both of the sources, that's a stereo speaker. Okay, so I can already confirm that this device does have these stereo speakers. Sound was coming from the bottom speaker and the phone call speaker, but this thing right here I'm pretty sure is a microphone for loudspeaker during the calls, and not a speaker at all, because there was no sound coming out of it. So anyway, this device does have the stereo speakers. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.